Hey, I'm Terran, head of food and bar at Bear, and today I'll be showing you how to make one of our Bloody Marys, which we serve throughout our stores. They're perfect for sipping away those hangovers, and after this video, you'll be able to do it without moving from your own home. For this recipe, you'll need the following equipment: a cocktail jigger, or a way to accurately measure out milliliters, a cocktail shaker. These can come in a variety of forms, but today we'll be using a Boston tin, a Hawthorne strainer and a fine strainer. Again, there are a variety of different strainers you can get hold of, but we're keeping it simple today. A citrus juicer, 150 ml of tomato juice, 50 ml of Broker's dried gin. We use this gin in our recipe as opposed to vodka because we find that the botanicals within Broker's London dried gin, specifically juniper, coriander seed, nutmeg and cinnamon, combines beautifully with the rest of the ingredients in our recipe to produce a distinctly refreshing drink. 1 lemon. Sriracha sauce. It's important to use sriracha as opposed to Tabasco or hot sauce, as sriracha possesses a thicker consistency and tends to be easier to combine with all the other ingredients. Worcestershire sauce. Celery salt. Black pepper. Black pepper. Fresh coriander. Ice cubes. Hopefully we don't have to tell you how to make these. And finally, a glass of your choice to pour everything into. Let's get started. So into our Boston tin, we're going in with 50 ml of Broker's London dry gin. $150 ml of tomato juice. The juice of half a lemon. A dash of Worcestershire sauce. A good sprinkle of celery salt. A grind of black pepper. And lastly, some sriracha. I like mine spicy, so I'm going in with 2 spoons. Give it a quick stir. And then tap on your Boston tin. To release, give the tins a tap with the heel of your hand, like that. Now we're going to strain this into our glass. We're going to top with ice. And then our stores we garnish with a nice sprig of coriander. And a lime wedge which we've dipped in some sesame seeds, just balanced on top. There we go, Bear's Bloody Mary. If you've enjoyed this video or want to learn more cocktail and coffee recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel.